What's up, everybody? Today I want to go over a really cool plugin on ChatGPT. So, if you may not already know, ChatGPT is now allowing for plugin usage. I believe it's only on the premium subscribers or paid subscribers, I should say. But at any rate, there's a lot of cool plugins that they have. I'm going to start making videos going over them individually. But one that is very useful for everybody and anybody who's travels, which is most people, is going to be Kayak. So I'm going to just go ahead and cover this. So the way you enable this is you go into your settings, and there you're going to have beta settings, and you're going to enable your plugin feature. And once you do that, you refresh, and then you'll have a plugin. And actually, you'll just hit here as well, plugin. You got to just check there, hit refresh, and then you'll have the drop down of the plugins that you install. And at the very bottom, you can go to the plugin store. But at any rate, not to digress. So with this being said, show me the best price best price direct flight from Miami to LA for the first week of December 2023. Just typing it however with no regard for grammar or anything. But look how cool this is. All right, so obviously going to source data. Let's see, it's searching here. And it gives me the booking links as well. Eventually, well, actually, probably because you can also connect it with things like Zapier, maybe even IFTTT. And then eventually, I'm sure you'll be able to, if not already possible, you can just have your account, or have everything logged in and configured, and then you'll just be able to tell it to book your stuff. All right, these are all December 1st flights. All right. Find me hotels near find me hotels in, I don't know, let's just say Redondo Beach during this same time period. Very cool stuff. So basically, I mean, obviously you're just going to type in your details. All right, I could have even put a filter on stars, but combine the best priced airfare you sent me with the best priced hotel that is 4-star rated or better. Show me rental car availability in the same time frame in the same area. Mid size luxury vehicle Mercedes E-Class or similar. It's very powerful stuff. I mean, this is like, obviously it's amazing, you know. Um, let's see what the booking link is. What is this? The booking link is for, oh, actually on Kayak. Okay. Interesting image they put of a Dodge Charger. It looks like a 3 Series, but it's not a 3 Series. Anyways, I digress. But anyways, okay. So, very good. So, as you can see here, it gave me the breakdown. Give me an estimated trip cost, including the airfare and lodging you already totaled, then combine this with premium daily rental rate for the week for the same time period. Add into the budget another $300 per day for food. Add in another $1,500 for shopping souvenirs. So there's a combination. This is not obviously using the Kayak plugin for this part. This is actually just ChatGPT generating this by itself. But so in summary, using the Kayak plugin, I was able to source the information about flights, different availabilities for that first week. Actually, it specified everything as December 1st, coming back on the 7th, figuring that I would be traveling that first week. So, which is fine, you know, for the example. So you just want to specify your dates, even if you specify dates. I'm sure I could rearrange all this. Let's see. I'm gonna try it. Rearrange. Just so it's doing something while I'm speaking. Totals based on an updated travel date time frame of December. Let's just see how much higher it is in the holidays. December 24th through January 31st, or say 31st. Okay, let's do December 25th to January 1st, 2024. Okay, so getting a little distracted here. I just wanted to have it do something in the background while I'm speaking. Again, I don't want to let this video go too long anyways, but okay. Recalculate. So you got to be specific with the prompts. Recalculate. I mean, it'll still understand what I'm saying, but I just don't want it to have any question or confusion. Provide an updated budget based on this. So, yeah, search for the information through Kayak. It sourced me the information of the flights. Then I asked for information regarding lodging in that same time period. I gave it a specific area. Being specific, saying Redondo Beach, I could have been more general, but again, so it just goes to show, depending on what you're putting in is what you're going to get out. As always, from there, I asked it to combine the flight information with the best price 4-star rated hotel that it generated. It gave me that summary. Then I asked for it to check on some rental car availability during that same time frame. Gave it a rough idea of what to go after. It really couldn't source anything from that as far as mid-sized luxury vehicle, but it gave me the breakdown based on what they have it on Kayak, obviously. So compact SUV, standard, so full size, etc. I then asked for a summary of everything, including the estimated rental car cost in that same time period. And then I've been now throwing a couple little extra things into it, budget for food, budget for, spending or what have you. And then now I have asked for it to update my list, my budget, and so forth, my details based on an updated time frame, going from the first week of December, which is actually a low time in travel because obviously everybody's just finished up with Thanksgiving and now getting ready for Christmas. So as you can see, the flight, let's just take a look here. I'm curious. Let's see what it generated. This is the most recent one. Flight. Okay. So Spirit was going to be $146 round trip first week of December. Lodging was going to be $1,320. Rental car was going to be $246. I'm leaving the budget for food and spending the same. I wouldn't change, obviously. And then updating it now, the like I said, 1,800. Why is it? Let me see. That's weird. Calculate 6 days, but then here calculate 7 days. Remove 1 day from the food budget. Anyways, getting distracted. So the rental car now, with that update, so the flight now rather will be $448 round trip, which makes sense during that time period, and the lodging will now be $262 per night, and then the rental car will be $50 a night in comparison to $146, $246, or $146, $220, and $240 or $41. Sorry for the daily rate. So yeah. Overall trip cost would be in that case $6,200 instead of $5,000, so about $1,200 more to travel during that holiday peak travel time, obviously. And then removing the 1 day of extra food budget that they put in there, or that ChatGPT put in there based on my prompt, I should say, not they. It's $59.32 then. So with that being said, I will wrap up this video. Don't want to let it go any longer, but definitely a very cool plugin, very cool tool to use. I believe it's only available for Open AI paid subscribers, but I highly recommend, if you are not one, go ahead and sign up. It's $20 a month, and believe me, the level of convenience and efficiency is incredible. So with that, have a great day, and I will see you next time.